All right, hey everyone, it's Audrey and Victoria here. I'm using the brush like a microphone. How are you, Victoria?
Good.
Is it good, having a good day? So this style is a Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer bun. Turn around. This is the finished product. I'm going to show you how to do it. Super easy. You can be very creative. You don't have to worry about having all these specific accessories.
You can just hot glue.
You can hot glue.
Right to your head?
Right to your head. So watch the video to check out how to do this cute little bun. All right, so this is how you do the really cute Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer cute little bun style. So you're going to start brushing your hair nice and smooth, and then you're going to do a spiral bun, which I've already done a tutorial how to do a spiral bun. So this should be hopefully really easy for you guys. So just take the hair.
Especially boys if they want to do it on their hair.
Right, and just spiral the hair into a bun. So that's really why it's called a spiral bun. No. I'm not yanking it hard. So you just wrap it around so that it's a spiral, okay? And then I'm just gonna elastic band it into place. I'm gonna go 3 times around. And here, I'm gonna just put your back straight a little bit. The whole point of this style too is after you do the spiral bun, just make sure you fan it out a little bit because you want there to be a little bit of a gap in the middle of the bun for Rudolph's nose. So as long as you have your little bun, you're good. Now, for anyone out there that's like, oh my gosh, so what do I do now for the accessories? So we ended up getting red pom-poms. I just hot glued them to little bobby pins, let them dry. And then you're just gonna stick the bobby pin.
You don't want to get them in the hair.
That's right, you just stick the bobby pin right in the middle of the bun. So you have Rudolph's nose, right? There you go, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, little nose. And then we ended up making little eyeballs. Now you can, listen, this is how basic you can make it. This is white construction paper, black construction paper. We just hot glued them onto little bobby pins. That's it. And then you just pop your eyeballs right into place.
Be careful, you're hurting the plant.
Oh, I am. So you have your 2 little eyeballs right in place. Make sure they're even. You can always go back and adjust. So now we have Rudolph's eyes, his nose, and then of course we need some antlers. And we just took some pipe cleaners. My husband did this. He's videotaping. He would never like me to take credit for these. And then just same as the actual bobby pins, you're slowly going to just place them into hair. Victoria's going to turn your head a little bit. She's going to place them right into the hair. So one on this side, and then just get it evenly matched on this side as well. This is such a great and cute holiday style.
Try to get them matched.
Try to get them. I'm totally trying to get them matched up. So then you have your little antlers. You have your eyeballs, whoops, and you have your nose. And that is just a super quick and easy Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer bun that you can do for the holidays. Super fun, super cute. Make sure you guys subscribe. Drop us below if you try this style. Tell us how you did. Share with us too on Instagram. You can find us below, Audrey McClelland. You like this style?
Yeah.
I think it's cute as can be.